Welcome back to Kim Undressed. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you may not know that I am a low-key sneakerhead. Now if you follow me on Instagram, you may see me post pictures of my shoes or my outfit with my shoes, but I never really post a lot about sneakers on YouTube. I've done a couple of videos. I think I've deleted a couple that didn't do too well. So I know this is like kind of weird for you who have been following me. I know I do a lot of foodie stuff, Disney stuff. So yeah, I would appreciate it if you stick around just a few minutes just to see how I do with this one. I follow a lot of sneaker accounts on Instagram. Well, a few days ago, scrolling through Instagram endlessly, and I see the Air Jordan 5 Regal Pink, or the Easters. Normally, I'm not drawn to the Air Jordan 5 silhouette, but this colorway stopped me. I've never owned a pair of Jordan 5s, and I was like, this could be my first one. Well, I didn't care to join any raffles to purchase them online. I was kind of like, whatever, I'll just save my money for something else that's, you know, more useful. But the other day was it the other day? No, it was actually yesterday. I was at the mall and I went into JD Sports. So I saw behind the checkout counter, they had 2 left, and it was in GS sizes, which is perfect because I'm a 4.5, and guess what? They had a size 4 and a 4.5Y. Perfect. It was like, I was meant to have it. Well, I walked away and I had to think about it. Do I really want it? Walked into a few other stores and I walked back and I got them. This is the box that it came in for the GS sizes, so it's pretty like your basic Air Jordan box, but the men's sizes comes with like a special edition box that has pictures on it. So mine didn't. I don't care. What's really important to me is what's inside the box. The camera, the lighting is not doing it justice. It looks so much better in person. Now it is a light pink color. How do I even describe this color? It's like it's a cute pink. It's a cute pink. That's why I thought it was made for women. And then the laces are this light pale-ish purple color, kind of like a lilac. So here is kind of like a light purple gray color. And you have like the aqua speckles here. What I really think is cool about the shoes is that it glows. It glows on the outsole. So I'm going to show you that shortly when I turn off the light. The tongue may look like a regular gray, but it's actually 3M reflective. Now the interior of the shoe is like a satin gray. Overall, I think it's a delicate colorway. I'm not sure how else I would explain it. It's very Easter. It's very spring. So we're in spring right now. Summer's coming up. If it's not already here, I live in Florida. Summer's been here, but it's the perfect colorway for spring and summer. So the material it doesn't feel like premium leather. Maybe because it's grade school, I'm not sure, but it feels almost like nubuck, like the nubuck material, but it's not nubuck. It's not, but it feels nice. Like, I don't hate it. It's really soft. Oh, and don't let me forget the insole. Let me pull the insole out. So it's a multicolor, watercolor looking insole. I'm pretty sure I have a dress that looks like this. Well, I'm not gonna do too much talking about the shoes. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on feet and show you. Oh, and I'm gonna show you the glow in the dark. All right, let's do that first. Where is the light switch? Okay, here we go. Okay, there. There it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on feet now. Alright, well that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next one. I might surprise you in the next one. What would I do? Maybe I'll do a shoe collection video. Good idea. Alright, I'll catch you later.